Background noise, check. Iced tea, check. We're ready to learn together on the Aspiring Admin. Okay, today we're going to be looking at Windows 10. There's an issue a lot of us seem to be having since we did an upgrade, where it's not properly saving, or it's saying you don't have permission to save. I'll show you an example here if everything works as it should. So this is just a plain text file, nothing special. I'm going to hit save. And let's go to documents. That's where I'm going to put it in this case. So documents, I got all kinds of crap there. But I don't want to just save it in documents. You are actually allowed. It does give you permission by default to save right in a document. Let's make a new folder. It says you need to confirm this operation. That's a common thing in Windows. The UAC clicks in here. So I'm going to hit continue. It's just asking me. It's making sure I'm actually trying to do this. If this ever pops up when you're not running something, you're in the middle of something else, and this pops up, you might want to look into it. That's why it is. It's a security thing to make sure no background rogue programs are trying to do something. Anyway, continue here. I'm giving it permission to do it. Now it jumps to this other screen where it blanks out. And it's asking me again, do you want to allow this program, Notepad, which it's telling me what the name of the program is? I said yes. Let's see here. Okay, so now new folder. Let's just name this Windows. Doesn't matter what we name it. Windows Admin Tips. Since that's what the file actually is about, this text file that we got here. I'll name this, if I can spell, Windows 10 permissions. And let's go over and click save, because I just made this folder, so I have permission to use it, right? No, I don't. That's what's kind of a weird thing to a lot of people, and people think it's a bug. I don't really know, like I said. Contact the person, blah, blah, blah. Administrator for permission. Well, kind of the administrator. I'm also the guy that just made the folder, so I would think I would have permissions. But let's see here what else we can do about this. So I'm going to go into this folder myself. It's got nothing in it. You right click on it. I could have just clicked on the folder, but I'm just showing you this way. You go over this general, sharing, and security is the tab we want. Third one over from the left. It shows you the different accounts that are in your computer. So when we have system, we're only interested in the one we're actually in now, though, which is this one that does. It's showing me a weird, probably the key or something. Now it comes out and says home users. Okay, there we go, home users. I'm going to hit edit. And again, I'm going to have to select the one I want to do, which is this home users one, even though it doesn't say it's home users yet. And if we look down here, we can see what it actually has permissions for already, which is read and execute. It can do that. That means it can read what's in the file, in the folders, and read what's in the files if there's any there, and execute if there's an app there or a program. List the contents, of course. That'll mean it shows up when we look. And read. But we have nothing else blanked out. I'm going to give me full control. I just made this folder. I want full control. See, now there we go. I just clicked it, hit apply. Okay, okay out of this one. Now, we're still in this same spot where it says Windows permissions text. Now I'm going to hit save, and it actually saved it. We can actually go in here and hit open. It'll take us right into the same one we were in. It's showing me that it's there now. So I hope that helps. There's a lot of other ways to do this too in Windows. There's always, I shouldn't say a lot, but there's a few more. This one is the most precise, which meaning it only affects this one folder, so it's probably the safest. There's other ways that I can get into later that'll, we could maybe go into the whole documents folder there and have everything under that be under your control. But we're going to do that for another time, because I got to look into this more for security. Because here at the Aspiring Admin, I'm not a real admin or anything. I'm just learning. I'm making mistakes. You get to learn from my mistakes with me. So for now, this is my little quick fix. I'm sure there's a good fix, and maybe there'll eventually just be an update from Windows if that's actually a bug. But anyway, this will do the job for now. Everybody have a good day. Bye-bye.